All right, so welcome to this class again. All right, and in today's class, I really want to show you something really, really amazing and really, really powerful. All right, it is one strategy I use till today. Yeah, you had me right. It is one strategy I apply till date. All right, and that is the strategy of the target EME. Okay, in as much as I don't, I don't really, really advise the use of lots of indicators, but then if you understand the 200 EMA, you can use it as confluence and confirmations for your trade. All right. Now I'm going to add it to my chart. Okay. It's not the setting, or I just put it on 200 over here. All right. Put it on 200. And then that is it. Okay. So let me just make the column more visible for you. And then possibly make this all right. Yeah, amazing. So like I said, I use the 200 EMA tilted. Now, do I use this? How do I explain this now? Okay, now do I use this for my main trade reason? No. All right. I don't use it as my main reason for a trade. I use it as added confluence. I use it as added confirmations. All right. For instance, okay. For instance, let's take for example, let me just look for an instance, okay. Let me take for example, I want to buy a price, all right, and then I already have my structure shift intact, okay. I already have maybe I already have my structure break and I have price at my imbalance, and then I'm kind of skeptical. I'm kind of, will price actually buy? Will price actually buy? And then I need maybe something to like give me more confirmation. I'm gonna add the 200 EMA to see where is the 200 EMA at. All right. If the 200 EMA happens to be at where I expect a reversal, then I will go into the trade, because now this is the main thing right here. The 200 EMA can act as support or resistance for your trade. All right. It can act as support or resistance for your trade. Now let's take a good look at the 200 EMA. All right. Now let's see. First of all, look at where price reacted. Well, let's start from here. Price sold from here. All right. Price sold from here. Price bought from here. Okay. Price bought from here. Okay. Now, these points that you can see that price is cut through the EMA. I know you might be asking, then what do we do at such scenarios? All right. Now, when you make your analysis, you tend to find out that your entry possibly did not lie exactly around the 200 EMA. Okay. For example, let's say we have to maybe break down this. Okay. Let's say we have to maybe look for, let me say I want to take an entry right here. All right. Now, let's say buy side violated. All right. Buy side broken. First of all, what the trend? Okay, we're trending down. Okay, so we have buy side broken, and okay, now what to maybe look for a sell, because we are in a downtrend. All right, so we have a buy side broken. Now, if you go down to the lower time frame, means that this here is a low. All right, so this week, let me zoom in so you can understand. I don't want to just go down the lower time frame because I don't want to miss this box right here. So this is actually a low on lower time frame. All right, so this low got broken, this low got broken. Price broke down, and then you can see price retested what this week. All right, so if you go down to your lower time frame, you end up finding that there is an imbalance or possibly another block around here. So we can see price will definitely sell from there. All right, now you can start your entry is not exactly on the 200 EMA, but then it's around the 200 EMA, so you know that it's possible for the 200 EMA to still serve as a resistance. So you're kind of expecting price to possibly we expect the 200 EMA region. All right, you know, support resistance is not a line, it's a zone. Okay, so this whole zone can be a resistance. All right, now take a look at this place here. Okay, price reacted here. All right, price cut through here. Same explanation for here. If you make the analysis, you find out that price did not exactly entry was not exactly at the 200 EMA, but then you can see that this over here reacted. If you spot, you're going to see an imbalance over here. Price went in and then sold. All right, you can take a good look at this place. All right, we have buys from here. Okay, the 200 EMA acted as support. All right, take a good look at here. 200 EMA acted perfectly as support. All right, now if you check, okay, price acted perfectly as support over here, all right? Price acted perfectly as resistance over here. Price acted perfectly as resistance over here, as resistance over here, as resistance over here, all right? Sorry. And then also, price acted as resistance over here. Price acted as support over here, all right? So, now, how do I make use of the 200 EMA? That's the next thing I'm going to be talking about, okay? That's the next thing I'm going to want to talk about. How do I make use of the 200 EMA, all right? Now, first of all, I finish my analysis, all right? I use the 200 EMA for confirmations, all right? So I, first of all, analyze, okay? Let's say I have analyzed price 500 and then I'm looking to buy. Now, I will look for the 200 EMA confirmation on my entry time frame or maybe the H1 or H4 time frame, all right? Now, let's say I'm going to go down to the M15 time frame, all right? I'm going to go down to the M15 time frame and say, okay, where is the 200 EMA at? Is it around my potential point of interest, okay? Now, for instance, let's say we want to look to buy this index over here, right? We have a break of structure over here. Obviously, you can see that we have what? We have trend line liquidity, all right? We have liquidity over here, all right? So the best place we might really want to take buys with good risk to reward ratio will be around this week over here, all right? And then just maybe you're not sure, all right? Just maybe you're not sure. You can see that the 200 EMA is in sync with your buyers, with your analysis, all right? So we have a break of structure over here. We have liquidity that we anticipate that price will possibly grab, okay? So it means that, okay, here we will possibly take buys at this place, our stop loss below here. And the 200 EMA is in sync with what we want. So that is how I use the 200 EMA, all right? Now I have additional confluence apart from the week, apart from the liquidity over here, all right? And then if you check, there's also an imbalance over here, apart from the imbalance over here, all right? Apart from the imbalance over here, we still have the 200 EMA. So this can actually be a sweet buy trade for me. That is how I use my 200 EMA. I hope this video was helpful. I want you to go to your charts, backtest this, and see it for yourself. You're going to see that I'm not lying. You're going to see that everything I'm telling you here actually happens, and this works only if you know how to apply it, all right? So I really hope this video was helpful, and then make sure you follow me on Telegram for my daily chart analysis. Make sure you message me on WhatsApp to view my status and gain a lot of value, all right? Don't forget, all right? I wish you a happy learning and I wish you a happy trading. It's King, and I'm signing out.